Radhe Radhe guys! The first step is to cover the table with the red fabric. Then I placed my own painted matki on the indie, and I have also uploaded a video of this painted matki on my channel. Then I decorated the matki with garlands of artificial flowers. Krishna is often depicted stealing butter from the houses of villagers, showcasing his mischievous and playful nature. Makhan is also considered a symbol of divine love and joy. I also made this Kanhaji's jhula myself and have uploaded a separate video of it too. Peacock feathers are associated with Lord Krishna, who is often depicted wearing a crown adorned with peacock feathers. The peacock feather is also a symbol of beauty, grace, and spirituality. Bansuri of Krishna represent his enchanting and mesmerizing presence. The sound of flute is said to have the power to mesmerize and enthrall, much like Krishna's divine charm. This is what we did for the decoration on Krishna Janamastami. We used beautiful flowers for the decoration of the Singhasan. Bathed Krishna ji with milk and dressed him beautifully. Thanks for watching our